AS350B3 helicopter, serial number 3820, presented by AVPRO. With built-in maneuverability, super visibility, and low vibration levels in the cabin, the AS350B3 has earned its reputation as a true multi-mission workhorse. Serial number 3820 is an extraordinary machine that offers a 5-passenger interior, featuring the Armor helicopter cabin interior. Cockpit highlights include the Garmin G500H glass cockpit multifunction electronic flight display system, promoting reduced pilot workloads which ultimately increase overall safety. The Airbus AS350B3 helicopter, serial number 3820, presented by AVPRO.